Hello, good morning. We are here to do a look with the Midnight palette from Beauty Bay. I've done another one without any voice, so you will find that one at the end of this video. If you're new, my name is Cristina, I'm 41, I'm from Italy, and I love eyeshadow palette, eyeshadow in general. Indie makeup, it's my let's say core business. It's not, but it's my love. So if you want to see more indie in your life, please stay tuned. Okay, let's start doing the face. This will be a sort of get ready with me reviews oh my god, and chart. I'm using the Astra makeup face primer, matte face primer, even though it's not very mattifying for me, but I don't know, it's called Ritual Primer Matte Effect. It really not is a very mattifying one, but it's good. I didn't have any issue with the lasting power of the foundation, so this could be fine. This is the Zizia. I'm not sure Zizia is the correct pronunciation. However, this is the Zizia concealer. This one is very good. It's really hydrating. It's very light. It doesn't go on. It doesn't set on my fine lines. No, Manzo. The dog was sleeping till the beginning of the video, of course, as usual. He always has to interrupt the video. Any video. This is the Bourjois foundation I'm using right now, and it's almost done. Even though you can't see through the bottle, that's a pity, because I think most of the foundation you can't really see through the bottle. But it's so nice to see your progress in using the product. Foundation maker, if you are listening, please change your bottle. It's so beautiful to see how you go through the foundation, through the concealer, to a lipstick. Not sorry, lipstick you can't see. If it's a bullet one, you can't see. Through a lip tint, a liquid lipstick. It's so amazing to see that you go ahead and you are doing progress, but you can't. So I don't know how much is left. I will try to keep it upright and see if it's at the bottom of the bottle. Okay, next one, my Be Perfect stick, shade Maple. This is good. Okay, I like this one. It's very good product. It's also easy to use, easy to blend, so this is a very good one. I need to go on top with a little bit of bronzer, just to warm a little bit my face, because you will see it looks a little bit. Oh, my battery is going down. I will finish the face in the meanwhile and change the battery. Okay, here we are. It's a very easy look, but it would have been better to do the eyes first using such a method, because even though the eyeshadow are not keen to have fallout, I had not a lot, but I had a little. So I'm just applying my eye primer from MAC, set it down a little, and then go ahead with this eyeliner from Ofra. is, as you can see, it's a little bit dry, but I still can work with. I pick up a bit and put it on the back of my hand, work a little bit on my hand to warm this up, and then just try to draw a line. So take your time, this is the most difficult part of the makeup. Just draw the line where I want. A thick one. However, you can still recover a dry gel liner with an Inglot product. I'll show you in a second. I can't remember the name without reading it. You know, my eyes are very different to one another, so I have to draw two very different lines. If I do a line that it's the same on both eyes, it will be very different at the end. So let's start with the electric, this shade here. This one is in the middle of the eye. Outer end with Potion, this shade here. And this is where you have the most of fallout, you see. And in the inner corner I placed Sky, the lightest blue. I'll just go back with the purple electric just to blend a little bit. Let's do the same underneath the eye. I'll draw a line with the eyeliner. Oh, just let me remove the fallout. The eyeliner is called Killer Queen. And I don't know why it dries out so fast, because the black one I bought together and it doesn't, it's not dry. Okay, so we are finished with this brush. Let's go to a small one and let me check. First shade on the outer corner, on the outside, is this one. It's called Jealous. and in the inner corner bubbles, this shade here. Okay, it's not in the inner corner, yeah, but going inward. Okay, on here you can leave like this. I just go with a little bit of this lilac shade and this light turquoise, and then a little bit of this darker blue, because it's not very dark, a darker blue. So the lilac in the inner part, then the light blue. The lilac is called Tranquil, the light blue is called Mist. Blend them together and blend a little bit out or up. Just let me blend a little bit this eye also. And with another brush I pick up the blue called Denim and just try to mark a little bit more my socket. And blend, blend, blend. This brush is from Wooden Size. This is good. Okay, in waterline, in my waterline, you can put a blue, you can put a light turquoise, you can put a purple. I decide to go ahead with this gel liner in pencil. This is from Anjay and it's an AliExpress brand actually, so it's a very cheap one, but it's good. Even though my black would have been better for me, at least. I have a new mascara. This one is from Mulak and it's called Gentleman. Let's see, it's not a wow effect for me now. It doesn't look I have mascara on. It doesn't. You think it's a mascara? I haven't applied the falsies because I'm not very good in applying them and I want the look to be visible. So let's go a little bit back. Let me just apply the black liner because I think it will be better. Okay, I'll do in a second time and I'll take some picture with this liner and some picture with the black one, and let's see which one looks the best. I have some new lipstick, so let's try to go ahead with one of them. This is the Melt Pink Heel. It's a nude pink. Okay, so this is the look. I like how the eyeliner hints. It's not my usual makeup, but I'm quite happy. I'm not happy about the waterline, you know. But let me take some picture and put the black eyeliner and take some other pictures.